Hey, what's up YouTube? We're going to be unboxing the new Filet-0 sandwich from McDonald's. As you can see, great packaging on this guy. And let's get inside. Before I get going, I just want to make sure that you guys are subscribed. Check out my Twitter, my Patreon. Okay, so we have the sandwich. It's just so greasy. It's like, how did they even fit this much grease in here? Okay, we're gonna take the first bite. So as you can see, they use a sort of shrimp paste rather than actually using full shrimp in this bad boy, but you know, nice try, McDonald's. And again, just a disgusting shrimp paste. Oh, let's check this out. Shit. Get the fuck out of here. Okay, as you can see, guys, this is a full piece of shrimp. So, yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this Twitter, stretch, subscribe.